Happy morning. Welcome you all in our math session. Numbers up to 1000 chapter is going on, and today we are going to learn ascending and descending order of the numbers. Let's see what is ascending order first. Arranging numbers from the smallest to the biggest order. Means we have to arrange number small first, then big, and then biggest number. Here are some numbers. We will see this example. 242, 369, 179, 745, 421. In these numbers, we have to arrange numbers from smallest to the biggest. Here in these 5 numbers, we have to search first smallest number. Look the 100 place first. 200, 300, 100, 700 and 400. Here is 100 is number is there 179. So 179 is the smallest number. Okay, then look here. Okay, then here 242 will come after this number, and after this 242 there will be 369 number come. Okay, and then this number we wrote here we wrote this number, then this number also we wrote. Now in these two numbers, first 421 will come, and the biggest number is this 745. This is ascending order, means we arrange these numbers from smallest to biggest. Let's see another example. Here are numbers 206, 234, 219, 225, 257. We have to arrange these numbers from smallest to the biggest order. Okay, but here all numbers are in between 201 to 300. So 100 place is same. Okay, here 100 place is same. So we have to go to tens place now for smallest number. Here tens place 0 tens. Here 3 tens. Here 1 tens. Here 2 tens. And here 5 tens. Now tell me which will be the small number, small tens. This 0 tens is small tens. So 206 is the smallest number. Now look the tens place here, 1 tens. Okay, so 219 is coming after 206. Now this number 2 tens here. After 219, 225 will come after this number, and then here 3 tens. So 234 will come after 225, and then this done, this number done, 225 done, 234 done. Now this is the biggest number, 257. So when there is same 100 place are there, we have to see tens place and then arrange smallest to biggest order. Okay, children? Here are some ascending order numbers. 44, 85, 112, 366, 555. These are ascending order numbers. And here is also 89, 150, 291, 555, 789. These are also ascending order numbers. So, when numbers are written in the order from the smallest to the largest, they are said to be in increasing or ascending order. Okay. Now, we will learn descending order. Descending order means arranging numbers from the biggest to smallest number or order. Okay. Here is one example. 221, 624, 89, 372, 181. We have to arrange these numbers in biggest to smallest. Now we have to search first biggest number. Here this is the biggest number, 624. Now then this is 221. Here is 89. Here is 372 and here is 181. Afterwards this number will come, 372, 300. Now here this number will come, 221, and then after 200 here 181, and last this 2-digit number is smallest number. 89 is the smallest number. Means we arrange these numbers from biggest to smallest order. This is descending order. Let's see another example. In this example, 998, 996, 990, 991, 994. Look, these numbers are in 990 to 9,000. In between, these numbers are in between 990 to 1000. Now here is 100 place, 900, 900, 900, 900 and 900. So we have to go to tens place. Here is 9 tens, here is 9 tens, here is 9 tens, here is 9 tens, and here is 9 tens. Means 100 place and tens place are same. So for writing biggest to smallest, we have to go to ones place. Here is 8 ones, 6 ones, 0 ones, 1 ones and 4 ones. And we have to write biggest number first. So this 8 ones is biggest. We will write first 998. Then 6 ones, 996. Then this 4 ones, 994. Then this 1 ones, 991. And here this number will come 990. We wrote 998, 996, 994, 991, 990. This is the descending order. We arrange these numbers from biggest to smallest. Look at this picture. This boy is coming from the stairs. He is coming from upside to downside. Means this is descending order. Numbers are also from up to down. 555, 366, 112, 85 and 44. These are descending order. Here also this is descending order. 789, 555, 291, 150, 89. These are descending order. So, when numbers are written in the order from the largest to smallest, they are said to be descending order or decreasing order. Understand, children? I hope you have understood this ascending and descending order. Thank you.